Imagine a creature that can regrow its limbs, heal its heart, and even reconstruct parts of its brain. Welcome to the whimsical world of the axolotl, a remarkable amphibian native to the lakes underlying Mexico City. With their feathery gills fluttering like underwater flowers, and a grin that seems etched permanently onto their face, axolotls bring a touch of magic to the murky waters they inhabit. These fascinating beings spend their entire lives underwater, uniquely never undergoing metamorphosis like other amphibians. Instead, they retain their larval features, a phenomenon known as neoteny. This not only gives them their distinctive youthful appearance, but also a suite of regenerative abilities that are the envy of the scientific community. From regrowing limbs to repairing vital organs, the axolotl's capabilities might just hold the key to medical advancements in humans.